Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I will show y'all what I'll be doing. Okay guys, I'm going to curl my hair and I'll be right back, and then we'll start with face, eyes, and everything else. So, be right back. Guys, what I'll be using is this wand. It's by Beauty Labs. This one gets pretty hot, like really hot. I got this product at TJ Maxx. So it was like $12 or $15. It was like pretty cheap. So this is what I'm gonna use to curl my hair. Just gonna demonstrate one, and I'll just wrap it around. Usually it gets hot pretty fast. Just let it slide out. And like, I'll leave it like this, but then I'll brush it out at the end so y'all will see how it kind of looks. The base I applied already. It's the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base. There we go. Already applied. And today I will be using foundation. I have not. I usually just highlight, contour, and then just mix it all up, but I will be using my Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in shade Ivory Nude. And I don't know, but I had problems with this foundation. Like, it won't stick to my face sometimes, and it's like really weird. But let me know in the comments down below if y'all have the same issue. I've seen a lot of people that say I love this foundation, but I'm just like, it's just like like dry and just, I don't know how to explain it. It just doesn't stick to my face, and it comes out like super dry. Maybe it's like the primer I'm using, or I have crusty ass face. You know. Okay guys, this is one of my biggest fears, like me having acne. And I don't know, I don't want to be rude or anything, but like, I used to see girls like with like a lot of acne, and you know, like sometimes they pick on them, so they have like these craters on them. So I used to be like, fuck, I swear I'm never gonna be one of those, like una cacariza con foundation that looks like mazapan. No, I swear I was never gonna be like that. And you know, life is a bitch. So I feel like I look like that because I've been having a lot of acne problems, and I need to like just stop fucking with it. Like, dead ass, I always fuck with my pimples. Like, I look like right here, I have a little cascarita. No, I just pick on them. I just need to stop picking on them. That's my damn problem. I swear I swore I wasn't gonna be like that, and just karma always gets you. Okay guys, I added my P. Louise base, this one. And I am going to go in with my shadows now, and Unity first. Just at the very top. I'm sorry if y'all can hear shit in the background. That's my grandma talking to I don't know who. Probably my auntie, because she's super loud. The next color I'm gonna go, it's in Lure. L-U-R-E. And it's gonna go right on my crease line. And then I'll grab Unity again and kind of just, and then grab Lure again and accentuate that shit a little bit more. I love this yellow, like it's live. Sorry I cussed too much, guys. I just do it in real life like a lot, so on camera I'm just like being myself, you know. Yeah, anyways, if I do curse a lot, I will probably bleep it out if y'all want me to. It doesn't matter, you know, it's whatever y'all want. I'm gonna go in Parallel. It's like this brown chocolatey shade. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that chocolate shade, and then I'm gonna go in Upside In, and I'm gonna use my V13 by ABH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna do this Throne color shade. Ooh, I love this shade, the Throne shade. Okay guys, my camera died, so I'll be filming on this. To conceal, and the concealer I will be using is the color Pop. Oh, she's the dog psycho. Hopefully my phone doesn't die either because it was like on low battery. I'm using the ColourPop Fair shade number 02, whatever that is. I like their concealer ranges because they're like super like light, and I can never find a concealer light enough for my face, and it's super annoying because every time I wear foundation it's like my concealer and my foundation look the same. I'm like, breathe, Diana, breathe, because you just wasted another $20 on a concealer that's not gonna brighten up your shit.